Khusro Betia. I, JVN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is machine learning from the subject of cloud computing. So, in this session, we will cover what is machine learning and what is the types of machine learning. So, machine learning is a form of AI that enables a system to learn from data rather than through explicit programming. However, machine learning is not a simple process. It is the algorithm ingest training data. It is the possible to produce more precise modes based on that data. A machine learning model is the output generated when you train your machine learning algorithm with data. After training, when you provide a model with an input, we will be given an output. For example, a predictive algorithm will create a predictive model. Then, when you provide the predictive model with data, we will receive a prediction based on the data that train the model. So, the conclusion of this definition of machine learning is the data is trained with the technique of AI, and then it produce some result. With the help, we actually in machine learning you want we want to machine act as a human. So for this purpose we prepared data through artificial intelligence technique, and we use some algorithm to prepare the data to generate this type of machine, right? So what is the approach to machine learning? Machine learning techniques are required to improve the accuracy of predictive models, right? So, depending on the nature of the business problem being addressed, there are different approaches based on the type and volume of the data. In this section, we discuss the categories of machine learning. The first one is your supervised learning. In supervised learning, typically begins with an established set of data and a certain understanding of how the data is classified. The term supervised define there is a supervisor who supervised the data how to react, how to act. So in this learning, this data has labeled features that defines the meaning of data. For example, you can create a machine learning application that distinguishes between millions of animals based on images and written description, right? We have to define some pattern. In unsupervised learning, the example of supervised learning is a self-driving car. In unsupervised learning means there is no supervisor to train the data. So unsupervised learning is used when the problem requires a massive amount of unlabeled data. For example, social media applications such as Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat all have large amount of unlabeled data. Understanding the meaning behind this data requires algorithms that classify the data based on the pattern or cluster it finds. Unsupervised learning conducts an interactive process, analyzing data without human intervention. It is used with the email spam detecting technology. There are far too many variables in legitimate and spam emails for an analyst to tag unsolicited bulk emails. Instead, machine learning classifiers based on clustering and association are applied to identify unwanted email. Reinforced learning. Reinforcement learning means it is a behavioral learning model. The algorithm receives feedback from the data analysis, guiding the users to the best outcome. Reinforcement learning differs from other type of supervised learning because the system isn't trained with the sample data set. Rather, the system learns through trial and error. Therefore, a sequence of successful decision will result in the process being reinforced because it best solves the problem at hand, right? That means reinforcement learning means it is the type of supervised learning because the system is not trained with the sample data set. Rather, the system learns through trial and error. That means it learns from experience, not with the supervisor itself, it learns, right, with the experience. So, this is all about this session, and I hope you like my digital session. This digital session version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class.